Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, hi, hello, my name is Angela. It has been a while since I have sat down and talked to you guys or filmed a video. I hope everyone is doing well, staying safe. Hopefully this upcoming July I can set a better schedule so I can film and edit and get back to doing what I love the most. So let's get right into the video. I'll be showing you guys what I got in my base box for Boxycharm and my premium box. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with the base box first. This little piece of paper that tells me everything that I got in my box is finally here because sometimes it's missing, and I'm loving this whole theme. It's the Oasis theme. So the first thing I got was this eyeshadow palette from Touch and Soul. It is Fill Up Orange. The packaging of it is so cute. It has, like, you know, that holographic effect, and it's all glitter here, and it comes with a mirror inside. So it says here, combine your love for strong color and glamorous glitter in the newest eyeshadow palette from Touch and Soul. Get 9 different shades and matte and glitter textures, perfect for creating versatile looks. These eyeshadows are non-creasing and glide onto lids smoothly for easy application and long-lasting wear. So I'm going to play a clip of me trying on these eyeshadows. I'm going to go in with milk foam and put it over my lid. And then I'm going to go in with this color. It's called Affogato. So I'm going to put that on my crease. I'm going to go in with this color, which is Trifle, and I'm going to put that in my inner lid. I'm going to try to go in with Espresso and hope that it can make my crease a little darker. So I did prime my lids, as you guys saw, because I wanted to give this eyeshadow palette like a fair shot, but unfortunately it wasn't that good for me. Honestly, I would rate this palette maybe like a 6 out of 10, only because it wasn't as pigmented as I thought it would be. So as always, I just want something basic, and this eyeshadow palette's not bad. It's maybe you can use this for like an everyday look, like a simple look. Fill Up Orange. I was thinking that this eyeshadow palette would have like more orange tones to it, and this eyeshadow palette is $32. Alright, next we have this Perfect Glow BB Cream from Perlice. It has SPF 30, it's oil-free, moisturizing, gives off a natural looking coverage, and matte meets glow finish. This is for all skin types and even sensitive skin. The packaging of this is super cute. It has like flowers on there, and this is in the color medium tan. So the paper says complexion perfection for a gorgeous matte meets dewy finish. This multitasking beauty balm glides like a tinted moisturizer with all the age-defying coverage, sunscreen benefits of a foundation and BB cream. At first I was nervous that this wasn't going to match my skin tone. Honestly, I was so shook. This was the perfect one for my skin. Also, it says here, like the ritual on the back, it says for normal to dry skin types, wear over Perlice moisturizer. For oily skin, wear alone. For extra coverage, wear under foundation. So I just wore this by itself, and I have oily skin. I didn't put any moisturizer under at all, but when I was putting it on, it did give off that like dewy look. So I like this. I recommend this one, and this is $35. All right, next we have this Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Cream from Tula Skincare. I think this is so cute. I love the color of it, and I don't know if you guys can see, but it has like shimmer in there. Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. This eye balm stick delivers a lift from within glow while instantly hydrating, cooling, and filling in fine lines around the eyes. You'll feel awake with this eye balm and look refreshed and energized so you can glow and get it. Cute. So on the product it says apply around the eye area for instant cooling and glow. Use under and over makeup as needed throughout the day for an instant pick-me-up. I actually love the brand Tula. I think they have such great skincare products. I actually wanted to try this, but I was super torn with the reviews that it got on like Ulta. I put this in my skincare fridge overnight and I applied it to my eyes. It did really give like a cooling sensation. I need to try it out a little bit longer so I can see if it can brighten up my eyes. are my eye bags, because I've only tried this like twice. It didn't feel sticky or anything, and it didn't take a while for it to kind of like get dry. And this product is $28. The next product we have is this lip line corrector. It is a lip serum from QMS Cosmetics. I've actually never heard of this brand before. The QMS Cosmetics lip line corrector, formulated exclusively for the upper lip area. Lip line corrector targets fine lines and wrinkles. This high-performance lightweight serum is specifically designed to hydrate and plump lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. Doesn't really have like a how to use this kind of thing, but I did look it up, and then it's for your upper lip. You're supposed to use it every day, morning and night. I've only used this twice, but I kind of don't like it. I don't like the texture. It doesn't have like a smell to it. You're not going to believe the price of this, because this is like 15 milliliters, and this was like, yeah, MSRP was $200. $200 for this. We'll go ahead and keep trying this out. All right, next up we have this Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA from First Aid Beauty. The packaging of it is so cute. This is like my favorite shade of purple, like lavender. So it says here, KP Bump Eraser fast acting resurfacing body treatment contains chemical and physical exfoliators that work together to deliver the benefits of chemical peel and microdermabrasion at once. This hardworking scrub helps improve skin's texture and smooth away bumps, roughness, and stubborn scaly areas. I tried this on my legs. It honestly felt like a lip scrub for my body. Like, it was so gentle, didn't smell like anything. I mean, it's fragrance free. And here it says apply onto wet skin and gently massage over problem areas. Rinse, apply moisturizer, use once or twice a week. Not for facial use. Use only as directed. Avoid contact with eyes. And this one is $18. Alright guys, so that was my base box. Let's move on to my premium box. So I was so excited when I saw this in my box. It is the Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask from Glow Recipe, because I have been wanting to buy this for so long. I think the packaging of this is so freaking cute. Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask is a creamy, nourishing mask formulated with antioxidant-rich avocados, exfoliating PHA, and the most gentle form of retinol, encapsulated retinol. The super gentle yet effective mask works to improve skin's elasticity and reveal smoother, hydrated skin with each use. From the Glow Recipe, I tried the watermelon sleeping mask, and that one smells so good. But this one doesn't really smell like avocados or really anything at all. Kind of smells like a clay mask. This product is pretty thick, so I actually used only a small amount on my face overnight. I didn't do the wash off method. I wanted to leave it overnight to see how, you know, smooth and hydrated my face look, and it did look super hydrated. But I don't think it worked as well as the watermelon one. I still like the watermelon one more than the avocado. At least now I know. This is $49. Next up, I got this Cocoa Contour by Too Faced. Let's talk about the packaging of this, because this is super cute, and there's like a little heart right there. That is how it looks. I love how it smells, because, you know, it smells like chocolate. Here you have light highlight, and then you have a medium highlight and deep highlight. Then you have light contour, medium contour, and deep contour. So the contour I used was the medium contour. I think it is such a nice shade. So this is the box that it came in. I think it is so adorable. This is like textured, so like you can feel like the bumps. So here it says lift cheekbones and sculpt like a pro with the easiest contouring palette you've ever experienced. The buildable matte formula is infused with our skin-loving cocoa complex and blends beautifully for a diffuse, subtle contour, so natural and effortless. All they'll see is your perfect bone structure. Let me tell you, this glides on so smoothly and so effortlessly. I didn't have to put too much product. Like, it's super pigmented and glides on super easily. I love it. Also, the package comes with this like how-to contour guide for like different skin tones, and this one is $44. Next, I got this Power Matte Lip Pigment in the color Call Me, and that is how it looks swatched. It's too pink for my taste. I personally don't really like this color. It applies very nicely and easily, but this just isn't my shade. Potency and precision, the ultimate power couple. A powerful concentrate of our most powerful matte yet. Fluid pigment complex, liquefied pigment with a zero gravity feel, introduces infinite matte color saturation with ultra flexible, long lasting wear. sensorial lightweight texture that appears like an ink on lips. It's a little more dry now, so that's how it looks, but still not my shade, not for me. This is $26. Next, we have this eyeliner pencil from Natasha Denona. It is in the color light blue. That's how it looks. It's such a pretty shade of blue. That's what it looks like. It's like a super light sky blue-ish color. It says here, the Natasha's eyeliner pencil is highly pigmented, applies smoothly, and has super creamy texture. Can be applied on waterline or on the lash line to accentuate any eye look. This pencil liner is completely versatile and can be used to create precise, crisp lines or a smudged out smoky look. This one is $18. When I was applying it, it was super creamy and it was pigmented. I didn't have to like go over it multiple times. Super cute. I love the color. Next, we have the Sculpting Duo brush from Billion Dollar Brushes. So the simplest tool to achieve the perfect contour. Contour side. Densely packed angled brush applies to targeted areas. Then buffs and blends for a sculpted look. Highlighter side. Tapered brush for precise blending to enhance smaller features on the face. This brush is super soft. As you saw, I was using this for my contour and to contour my nose. It blended out so nicely. It's super soft. I actually really love this one. Like, I'm going to use this to contour all the time. And this brush is $30. The last product that we have in the box is a Restore Instant Protection Weightless Heat and UV Protection by Living Proof. It says here, a weightless spray that adds shine while protecting against heat and UV damages. Also on the product it says, Restore Instant Protection is a lightweight spray that shields hair from heat, cools up to 450 Fahrenheit and provides 24-hour UV protection. This non-drying spray keeps strands soft, smooth, and shiny. Generously mist damp or dry hair prior to heat styling for UV protection, shine, and to finish, spray evenly over styled hair. So I used this before and after I did my hair, and it smells pretty good, and I think it left my hair like pretty shiny and soft. So the base box is $25, but everything that's in the base box was $313. For my premium box, it was a total of $195. Both boxes together were $508, and mind you, for these two boxes I spent $60. I mean, that lip corrector thingy is $200 itself, so that's insane. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll leave everything that I got down below in the description box so you guys can go ahead and check them out. If you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I'll also link a registration link. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!